currently waiting for Wyatt to drop off his car at this shop, so I'm in his car right now because I had to go get him, and then we're gonna have like a really like chill Friday. I have a summer Friday today, so I have today off, and Wyatt also has today off because his work or his team at SpaceX also has today off. So we're gonna go to this karage place and then have that for lunch, and then there's a pop-up happening at one of my favorite ice cream places, so we're gonna go get ice cream and Japanese shaved ice.